Okay, here's the...
Oh! That is nice. You want to rev it?
Yeah, you can rev it. The first thing that we're gonna do is record some before exhaust sound so we have a good before and after. Okay. Wanted to give you guys an idea of how the car sounds when you're driving around as well. So right now we are at 2,000 RPMs, just kind of cruising. You know, you can definitely hear the exhaust in here, but it's not too drony. All right. So now we're up at 5,500, 5,000, 4,000. Sometimes at highway speeds, like when you're up in the 2,500, there's a little bit of drone, but it's not too bad. It took a minute for me to get used to it, but now that we've had it for a while, it seems pretty reasonable. What do you think, Mag?
I agree.
We have a kid that lives next door to us. He's got two cars that I think are straight piped, and this is significantly quieter. You start this up and it's just kind of like a low, peaceful rumble. Start your engines. What do you think? It actually sounds pretty good. All right, guys, so that is the Invidia N1 exhaust. I think a couple things to think about with this exhaust in general is, you know, we picked it because you wanted something that wasn't too loud, right?
Yeah.
How do you think that turned out?
I think it's awesome.
Yeah.
I think it's so fun to drive around, and it just makes it so much better.
Yeah, sounds pretty good, but not too loud. Mm-hmm. And one of the things is, you know, they have a single and a double exit, like the N1, I think it's the N1X is the 2 exit. One cool thing about this one is it's a little bit different. It's also less expensive. So this was quite a bit less expensive. That made it very affordable for us for the first mod to your car. The tip looks really cool. May Performance had this thing priced really well. So we got a really good deal, and they sent us a t-shirt, which is really awesome. So thanks to them. And if you enjoyed the video,
please give it a thumbs up and maybe subscribe.
That would be great. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. And always feel free to leave us any comments or questions that you might have.